No one is out right now. Here comes the car. Here comes the car. You can barely see it. We're 150 yards from the highway right now. Here's a couple cars. You can't even see the car. You can see the headlights, but no car. Look at this stuff. This stuff is just whipping around. Here comes a big gust. Oh yeah. Pat, what are your comments on this Arctic storm?
It's insane.
Again, cars. You don't see the cars, but you see the headlights. Flashers on. Hazards. You can hear it howling.
Get the fuck inside.
Wonder where these people need to be. Snowmobile. Snowmobile. That's what is on the agenda. Sounds like the ocean. Wow. Oh my gosh. There we are. 8:35.